Welcome to the Read a Self YouTube channel. Nowadays devices are going to be wireless. You all know that without help of any wires we are using mouse and keyboard. Without wires we are listening songs with earphones, which is known as AirPods or earbuds. In present, two electronics are connected with the help of one Bluetooth technology. You also have heard about Bluetooth and you all have also used it. In this video we all watch that what is Bluetooth and who has invented Bluetooth. You all have used Bluetooth on laptop, desktop, smartwatch, earphones, Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or many types of file transfer from one phone to another phone. So you all know about Bluetooth devices. Do you know that how Bluetooth was invented and what are the advantages of Bluetooth? So in this video we will explain you how was Bluetooth invented or what are the advantages of Bluetooth. What is a Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless device which can exchange files by connecting 2, 3, or 4 devices. Bluetooth uses low frequency, that is, 2 or more devices are connected together, due to which a small network is formed. In Bluetooth, data is transferred over a very short distance. This allows it to interconnect mainly at distances from 10 meters to about 100 meters. With this use, any user does not need a port, cable, or adapter, and that only provides them the community of wireless. Bluetooth can connect to up to 7 devices at the same time, and they are mainly used in smartphones, personal computers, printers, digital keys, laptops, and gaming consoles. No matter what device it is, everyone needs to transfer data. But the most important thing in this is that to transfer data between any device, both the devices must have Bluetooth. In these technologies, full care is taken regarding security. The PIN comes before making the connection, and that PIN has to be entered into the other device. Only then does it allow data transfer. Who invented Bluetooth? Bluetooth was first developed in 1994 by on the main location radio system in the Netherlands, Ericsson, from where he worked on Bluetooth, and the name Bluetooth was Scandinavian Blondland, Blaton, Old Norse Blaton. It is derived from an English version but is said to have actually been named after a 10th century king, Harold Bluetooth Blackant. On May 20, 1999, the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, SIG, was established. It was established by Ericsson, Sony, IBM, Intel, Toshiba, and Nokia. Bluetooth technology was developed in accordance with IEEE 802-151. Also known as this technology has gained a lot of popularity. In 2008, only 5% of mobile devices had Bluetooth. Compared today, almost 95% of mobile devices have Bluetooth. It has 5 different versions. The first version was 1.1, after which came 1.2, 2.0 plus EDR, 3.0 plus HB, and version 4 v5.0. There was not much speed inside version 1.1 of Bluetooth, so it was updated and its latest versions kept coming. How Bluetooth works? So we all know that how Bluetooth works, but many people does not know how Bluetooth works. That's why we will explain you how it works in this video. Bluetooth is already inbuilt in the mobiles and desktop. Apart from this, a separate Bluetooth device comes, which is connected to the mobile's computer. It is very cheap. To use Bluetooth, the Bluetooth device available is first turned on. After this device finds the nearest device available and connects with it. Then a network is formed between them. After establishing the network, this device is completely ready to communicate. Now it can exchange data. If 2 devices in these networks move away, then the network is lost. That's why all the Bluetooth have to be in a network. All the people come in the range of Bluetooth, then a network is formed. We call that network Bluetooth. There are mainly 2 elements in these networks, master and slave. When Bluetooth devices are connected, one of them is the primary, master, device and the other is the secondary slave device. The primary device is called master device and the secondary device is called a slave device. There are mainly two types of Bluetooth technology: Piconet and Scatternet. Piconet. Piconet network is formed when a master device and one slave device or one master device and many slave devices are present in Piconet. There can be maximum 7 active slaves. Econet can be only one master device. Piconet can have only one master device. Piconet has one-to-one and one-to-many devices. In other words, one-to-one has one master and one slave device. One-to-many has one master and one. There are many slave devices. Scatternet. The communication of multiple Piconets is called Scatternet. In one Piconet, which is one slave device, same device can act as a master device in other Piconets. That's why the same device is part of two Piconet, but one device more than one Piconet cannot have a master device. The data received from the device in which the Piconet is the slave can send messages to other Piconets. Advantages of Bluetooth. Nowadays we are using Bluetooth in many ways. To connect computer and printer to print pages. To connect wireless mouse or keyboard to the computer for doing some work. We can also connect Bluetooth speaker to a computer or a mobile phone for listening songs. We can use wireless earphones like earbuds, AirPods, Bluetooth earphone, etc. and connect with mobile phone. After that we can hear any songs at any time. We can connect two phones with Bluetooth and we are able to transfer images, songs, PDF file, videos, apps, etc. Bluetooth can be used when we have to add wireless objects on computer. It's all about Bluetooth. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions regarding Bluetooth. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.